Hey guys, what you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel, Kama Reaction. So I'm back again guys with another reaction video to Mr. Miyagi featuring Kadi. So this is an audio version to their song. Don't ask me what's the name of the song. You know what? Let me see a translation that I could get to the name of the song. Hopefully it's the right translation, but it was something that was given to me and I was like, oh my god, but this is mean. But this is mean. What does this mean? What does this mean? Native sing. So let's see what this native sing gonna be giving us. So let's go.
Тот старый работу не забудь, я ухожу, сказал, не буду меня кроя, замуровал себя под грудой, я сам не свой, я родная, я тут старовером буду, не забудь, я ухожу, сказал, не буду меня кроя, я замуровал себя под грудой, я сам не свой, я под куполом мира нас нет, песня рубила, будто бы грустный день. Я вновь залип, переворошив память, я думаю, все стороны облетев. Отсюда бы добыть sunshine моста, подай нам борьба, улыбнись. Акулами кровожадными, все вокруг в этом мире, давай ломи. Дебаты, полемики, понимай, полюби. Попали я малого Мияги, меня забери. Дома невидимо боли, молю тебя больше не говори. Пустота внутри. Пустота внутри. Тут старовером буду, не забудь, я ухожу, сказал, не буду меня кроя, я замуровал себя под грудой, я сам не свой, я родная, я тут старовером буду, не забудь, я ухожу, сказал, не буду меня кроя, я замуровал себя под грудой, я сам не свой, я
It's so hard to know, it's so hard to feel. Shade of your tears runs through your skin. I was like, what's a time of mine? My own soul, town so dark, and I don't know what to do, so I fix my pride and I fix my hope. Town so dark, I don't know what to do, so I fix my pride and I fix my hope. So we can move mountains, everything for you, so we can
move
mountains, everything for you,
so we can move
mountains, everything for you, so we can
move
so we can
move.
Тот старовером буду, не
забудь,
ухожу, сказал, не буду меня
я
замуровал себя под грудой,
я
сам не свой, я родная, я тут старовером буду, не забудь, я ухожу, сказал, не буду меня кроя,
I love me some Miyagi.
сам не свой,
So that was Mr. Miyagi featuring Caddy. I think it's Sing My Dear or Native Sing. It was one of those translation. As I said over and before, I really do enjoy Mr. Miyagi. This is someone I can literally listen to all his songs fully. I really do enjoy it. I like his style. I really do like his voice on these beats and soundtrack. Whoever is producing his beats and stuff, very good job. I love his style. I think he has versatility and diversity within his style of rapping, within his music, as I said over and over before in my other reaction videos to Mr. Miyagi, that it's the consistency and the diversity within his music videos and his music. They all don't sound the same, because trust and believe me, there's a lot of them out there. Like, really, you have 10 albums and all your albums sound the same. Okay, but for him, I really do like that each song, it's a different feel, but we can still tell it's him, which I really do like. That's his signature. He has his signature of how he do his music and stuff, so I really do appreciate that. Thanks for the recommendation. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.